Hunan Taisun Ceramics Corporation is a private ceramics high-tech manufacturer headquartered in Liling, China. Founded in 2000, Taisun has diversified its founding technology in ceramic materials through R&D, as well as international trade. Taisun has more than 1,000 employees and overall asset above 200 million RMB. With an international design team and advanced production technology, we provide personalized service to our customers, at the same time establishing long-term relationships with more than 50 countries. We capture inspiration attentively and embellish life with elegance. Taisun is constantly evolving with more than 1,000 new products every year to ensure the satisfaction of our customers. Our products are infused with vitality through design, and our process characterizes them with temperament. Taisun is a pioneer in the innovation of hand-painted ceramic production line. The application of multi-layer eco-friendly glaze has showcased the flowers and animals vividly, which delivered a unique visual impact. Standardized procedures have been strictly implemented to ensure the perfection of our quality and reputation. All procedures, including mold release, glazing, hand painting, quality control, and packaging, are carried out systematically. Automation has initiated the innovation of this millennium-old industry, which is also coupled with the craftsmanship of Taisun. Our revenue has reached $20 million this year, and is expected to exceed $30 million over the next 5 years. Chinese ceramic has been known for centuries. Chinese liquor enriches its flavor as it ages. Unification of the two symbolizes Chinese culture. With its permeability and opacity, ceramic bottles are the best choice for liquor. Taisun liquor bottles display elegant shape and high quality. A number of well-known liquor manufacturers have chosen Taisun's classic clay sculpture for its liquor products. To provide better service, we customize our design that characterize our products with brand culture and also increase the market competitiveness. In 2019, the annual output of Taisun's high-profile bottles reached 10 million and is expected to exceed 30 million bottles in 5 years. Excellence comes from every conformity. Through the continuous innovation, Taisun is now producing high-tech ceramics and has put in service in medical and environmental fields. Our ceramic knife has a lifetime that is 10 times longer than a steel knife. Technology makes Taisun one of the best in the ceramic field. The output of high-tech ceramics reached 20 million RMB in 2019 and is expected to reach 100 million RMB in the next 5 years. China owns a vast territory enriched in ceramic clay, and the clay is showing different quality characteristics in different producing areas. Based on the requirement of different products, Taisun mix and modulate the raw materials under strict ratio for the clay production. If the clay is the body to ceramic, then the mold is the bone to it. The maturity of the molding process not only guarantees the output, but also highly restores the original design. With bones in the body, the glaze on ceramic as cloth makes ceramic really shine like a penny. The precise ratio of color, trial production, and innovation of glazes satisfy the personal needs of our customers. Taisun Quinhu Raw Material Center, specialized in clay refinery, glaze processing, and mold manufacturing, is the largest production base in south-central China. It is also the most complete testing facility in Hunan ceramics industry. This ensures the quality of the products and the safety of the end users. With a more open attitude, Taisun Quenhu is ready to provide high-quality service for every ceramic enterprise. With the spirit of pursuing excellence and continuous innovation, Taisun is certified with ISO 14001 Environmental Management System, ISO 9001 Quality Management System, and numerous factory audits, such as BSCI Social Audit. Both economic and social benefits are well gained. Honesty and trustworthy pursuing excellence, Taisun offers our employees a sense of belonging and caring for their loved ones, and also a happy life. With continuous innovation and long-term vision, Taisun is expanding rapidly. We're strengthening our stoneware business while dedicated for the advancement of high-tech ceramics. We are now well established on platforms such as Tmall, Taobao, Jingdong, and AliExpress, to name a few. 600 million RMB revenue in 5 years, and top 20 ceramic company in 10 years, and build a Taisun world-renowned brand. Integrity is the foundation, while innovation is the key. With professionalism, we will create a win-win collaboration. Taisun has always been faithful to these principles, and together we will build a better future with high-quality products, reasonable price, as well as comprehensive services.